Hi lovelies, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all, and I trust you had a great holiday. So this is going to be the first long form video on this channel in the year 2025, and I know you can already tell from the title of the video that it's going to be a fun one. It's a vlog. So my church transformation assembly hosted a picnic at Inspiration Lake, Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. Yeah, so we just got here and the view. Abaja, let's go. Hello, Judah.
Very good.
Whoa, look at the vegetations, beautiful colorful greens, like see the water view. It's so beautiful. I'm loving the environment. Okay, I'm not going to be talking much in this video. Do well to read the captions, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So just enjoy and watch, and I hope you love it. Do well to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. I have so many videos coming your way.
Can we call them and see where they are?
My little man. Girl, that's an airplane.
All the way up.
Hello. 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 Hi. Good to see you.
Ate Mel.
Hi.
There are chicken wings inside. Dito lang kami. Wow, what is this?
You try if you like the taste.
Yeah,
The tuna. I use Japanese mayo.
Yeah.
Put onion and black pepper.
Hi, Samuel.
Kaila, which are you? Let's go.
Kaila. Welcome. Ifu eyes. I see eyes. Kaila. Welcome.
Someone makes it for our beautiful wife. Welcome. Okay. Look, no, I got
Six, 3. 7. What game is this?
Don't take it too high. We're planting. We're trying to plant a tree here. I think that's good enough.
So when you come back in 2 years time, you come and find it.
Right now. Here.
Now
This
water.
one is our new seed already planted. So as you can see, we need to water it again.
Yeah.
Again? Girl, that thing's gonna drown.
Game time, it's game time. No problem.
In the process, my
We want to make a circle. We're going to start from somewhere, and for example, I can say names of girl names, girl names. Chidima. So we keep passing it round. You say it loud. And you say it loud so we can hear. It can be anything. Names of boys, names of girls, names of countries, names of the book of the Bible, Old Testament, New Testament, anything. Names of prophets in the Bible. Anything. Just come up with anything. Try something fun.
Okay, everybody should go. We're waiting. Shemaya, you want to come close? Oh, it's coming to you, Esther.
Oh my god! It's a goldfish and a whitefish. It's coming to my business.
I think this one's a...
Kami na ilang mga ulo.
Oh, really?
Hindi ko yan pinapangarap.
Just put them there.
You can eat it. You can. You want to send the rock?
No other one?
I think I feel like a tap tap tap. There's a tap tap. There's a tap tap there. Fishy fishy. Fishy fishy.
I'm the coffee.
I don't have no idea, but what? No, I think he's gonna eat it.
Please don't fall, I can't swim. I can't swim and come and get you. Come on.
You better come here before I eat him.
Oh, it came.
I don't want him to eat this. Come. Yes.